In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Spotify can't play this right now when using Equalizer. Let's get started. This issue often crops up for Windows users who use external sound modification software or equalizers like the Sony InZone Hub, which can sometimes create a communication conflict between the app and your audio hardware. To resolve this, in the search box type in Control Panel. After option appears, launch it. Now navigate to the option Sound. This will bring up a list of all your playback hardware. Once you have the audio devices window open, find the specific device you are using, such as your headphones or speakers, right-click on it and select Properties. Inside the Properties menu, look for the Enhancements tab. To get things working again, you should select the enhancements listed there, then click Apply and OK to save your changes. By adjusting these internal Windows sound settings, you'll be good to go. Finally, simply reopen Spotify and try playing your favorite song. The error should be gone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.